Hey tea enthusiasts! Hot beverage, are you tired of waiting forever for your water to boil? Or maybe you're looking for the perfect electric kettle to elevate your tea game? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 electric kettles for tea lovers in 2025, tested, ranked, and ready to blow your mind. Whether you're a green tea fanatic or a chai lover, these kettles will change the way you brew. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which kettle is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Zwilling Enfinigy Electric Kettle Pro. We chose the Zwilling Enfinigy as our top pick for being efficient, easy to use, and precise, not to mention that it looks sleek. In our tests, it took about 6 minutes to heat up, which was a bit longer than the average boil time but still faster than most stovetop situations. However, the dual-wall design and 30-minute keep warm feature helped it keep water hotter for longer than almost any others. It was at 194 degrees Fahrenheit after 10 minutes and 172 degrees Fahrenheit after 30. Thanks to the efficient insulation, the outside stayed completely cool to the touch during the whole test. We also appreciated the handy presets for coffee, tea, cocoa, and more. Materials: stainless steel, plastic, capacity, 1.5 liters, temperature controls, 6 preset programs. Number 2. Breville Smart Kettle Luxe. If you want to make all your favorite hot beverages without having to remember the right temperature for oolong tea versus French press coffee, this clever kettle is for you. During testing, it took only 4 minutes to boil 1.7 liters of water. But despite the large capacity, the minimum water level is about 1 mug's worth, making this a good choice for both large and small volume brewers. The smart features are what really set this kettle apart, like the individual temperature presets for black, green, white, and oolong teas, as well as French press coffee. All the options were accurate to their set temperature in our thermometer test. We also liked that you can choose between the kettle shutting off automatically or changing to keep warm mode for 20 minutes after it reaches the set temperature. Its soft opening lid gently releases hot air, preventing any accidental steam facials. And to top it off, the power switch is illuminated for visibility. The downside, this kettle is pretty expensive. It's also heavier than others of a similar size, especially when full of water. Material: stainless steel, capacity, 1.7 liters, temperature controls, 5 preset programs. Number 3. Fellow Stagg EKG Electric Gooseneck Kettle. The gooseneck design of the Fellow Stagg EKG kettle is ideal for pour-over coffee and loose-leaf tea as it offers precise pouring and to-the-degree temperature control. We also liked the reinforced handle, which felt extra sturdy and allowed us to pour slowly and steadily, a necessity for pour-overs. With a precise brewing method like pour-over, the 135 to 212 degree F temperature range and built-in brew stopwatch to time extraction give you ultimate control. It can even hold a temperature for as long as 60 minutes. Besides the precise functionality, this sleek, modern kettle also scores high in the looks department. The Stagg EKG is the only kitchen appliance I use every day, and multiple times a day. It helps that it's beautiful, too, because it's always on my counter, says food and wine editor Mary Claire LeGroux. I've had it for 2 years, and I can't imagine making tea and pour-over coffee without it. It's so much faster than the stove. I even use it to get a head start on boiling water for steel-cut oats or making stock. The gooseneck design is great for a controlled pour, but it's not slow to pour either. Number 4. OXO Brew Adjustable Temperature Kettle. For a glass kettle that performs consistently well, look no further than the OXO temperature control. Made of heavy-duty borosilicate glass with a 1.75-liter capacity, it allows you to see how much water you have and when it comes to a boil. Our only gripe with the design was the stainless steel strainer at the spout. We had trouble pouring at a controlled speed. We used the kettle's keep warm setting for 20 minutes, and the temperature only dropped from 211 degrees Fahrenheit to 203 degrees Fahrenheit. Using an instant read thermometer, we confirmed that the temperatures we set were very accurate, the most variation we found was a 2 degrees Fahrenheit difference. This kettle's ability to set a precise temperature gives it a significant advantage. While it's not inexpensive, it's an excellent value for its quality, size, and reliability. Materials: borosilicate glass, stainless steel, silicone. Capacity: 1.75 liters. Temperature controls: 175 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. KitchenAid KEK1222OB 1.25 liter electric kettle. A great kettle doesn't have to be expensive. This model from Cuisinart is an easy-to-use and durable kettle that doesn't break the bank. The handle is comfortable, and during testing, we appreciated the soft textured silicone coating on the inside. Double-walled construction insulates this kettle so the plastic exterior stays completely cool to the touch while the water inside stays warm for longer. It's made mostly of plastic, but we noticed that the joints and hinges felt sturdy and durable. However, at just 1.1 liters, it's on the smaller end of kettles on our list. You'll probably have to spend a bit more if you want a larger capacity. We wouldn't recommend this for households larger than 2 people. Materials: stainless steel, plastic, silicone. Capacity: 1.1 liters. Temperature controls: none. And there you have it, the top 5 electric kettles for tea lovers in 2025. Party popper, which one are you adding to your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow tea lovers, and subscribe for more amazing content like this. All the product links are waiting for you in the description, so go check them out. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep brewing those perfect cups of tea.